Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Smart Cycle discounts and create your very first WooCommerce campaign. We'll go step by step through the wizard, set up discounts, configure targeting, schedule everything, and then I'll show you the final result on the shop page. Let's get started. Installing the plugin. First things first, Smart Cycle discounts requires WooCommerce to be installed and activated. Go to Plugins. Then add new, search for Smart Cycle discounts, click Install, then Activate. Once activated, you'll automatically land on the Plugins Campaigns Command Center dashboard. And this is where the magic begins. Here's the main dashboard. From here, you can see all your campaigns, monitor performance, and create new ones. To create your first campaign, scroll down and click Create First Campaign. This opens the campaign wizard. The wizard is divided into 5 simple steps. Basic information, product selection, discount configurations, schedule, and review and publish. We'll go through each one together. Step 1. Basic information. Let's start with the basics. First, enter a campaign name. You can also add a description. This is optional, just for your internal reference. Next is priority. Priority decides which campaign wins if multiple campaigns affect the same product. Higher priority overrides lower ones. Once that's set, click Next. Step 2. Product selection. Now we choose which products this campaign applies to. First, we have category selection. Choosing categories creates a product pool for the campaign. In other words, you're defining the playground. Then, in the sections below, you decide how products are selected from that pool. You can choose all products, random products, specific products, or smart selection. And all of these options follow the category selection you made above. Smart Selection lets you automatically target bestsellers, featured products, low-stock products, and new arrivals. For this example, I'll select all products, then click Next. Step 3. Discounts. Now we define the actual discount. There are currently 6 discount types available. 3 of them are included in the free version: percentage discount, fixed amount discount, and buy one get one. The other 3, volume, tiered discounts, spent threshold discounts, and bundle deals, are available in the Pro version. For this campaign, I'll use a percentage discount. Badge display. By default, the discount badge is enabled, so customers can clearly see when a product is on sale. You can let the plugin automatically generate the badge text, or you can write your own custom message. Then choose a badge style, like pill, circle, square, ribbon, top banner, and more. Depending on the template, you can also adjust the badge position on the product image, except for the top and bottom banner styles. Finally, you can customize the badge background and text colors to match your store's design. I'll select the top banner template. Free shipping. You can also enable free shipping for this campaign. You can apply it to all shipping methods or only to specific shipping methods. This is great if you want to combine discounts with shipping incentives. User role targeting. Here you can include or exclude specific user roles. For example, you could create campaigns only for wholesale customers or exclude administrators. Location targeting. You can also include or exclude customers based on their location. This rule applies after customers enter their billing or shipping address during checkout. By default, the campaign applies to everyone based on your WooCommerce store address. Once everything looks good, click Next. Step 4. Schedule. Now we define when the campaign runs. You can choose quick presets, like 1 day, 1 week, and more. I'll select the 1-day preset. You'll see the start and end date automatically filled in. You can manually adjust start date and time, end date and time. If you choose immediately, the campaign starts as soon as you publish it. Scheduling lets you automate everything. No manual activation or deactivation needed. Before we continue, this is also where you'll find the campaign recurrence system. You can make the campaign run automatically based on the period you set. For example, you can repeat it every X days, weeks, or months. You can choose to let it run forever, stop after a specific number of recurrences, or end on an exact date. This allows you to automate repeating promotions without recreating the campaign each time. Click Next. Step 5. Review and publish. Here you get a complete overview of your campaign. You can review selected products, discount settings, targeting rules, schedule. The built-in campaign health system checks everything and lets you know if something needs attention. If everything looks good, click Create Campaign. After publishing, you're automatically redirected back to the campaign's command center. The campaign overview panel opens right away, giving you a complete summary in one place. Here you can quickly see the campaign details, its current status, the schedule, discount setup, and overall health indicators. This gives you a clear, organized view of how the campaign is running and makes it easy to manage or adjust if needed. On the campaigns page, you can easily manage all your campaigns in one place. The list shows brief details at a glance, so you can quickly understand what's running and what's not. If you want deeper information, simply open the campaign overview panel to see the full details. From here, you can edit campaigns, duplicate them, activate or pause them, and even delete them whenever needed. Now let's open the shop page. As you can see, the discounted prices are applied. The badge appears using the selected template, and the campaign is active, all without manually editing individual products. And that's it. Your first Smart Cycle Discounts campaign is live. You define the rules once, set the schedule, and WooCommerce handles the rest automatically. Now, you can create more campaigns, experiment with targeting, and build smarter promotions, all from the dashboard. Thanks for watching.